I started this project with beads and a photo frame that I purchased at Dollar Tree. I turned my frame over. Then I attached my beads to my frame using Gorilla Hot Glue. Once I was done adding my beads to my frame, I took my frame outside and I spray painted it black. Next, I attached 3 large snowflakes that I purchased at Dollar Tree, one on top of the other. Next, I attached a piece of balloon stand straw to one corner of my frame. Next, I attached my large snowflake to my piece of straw using Gorilla Hot Glue. Then I attached smaller snowflakes that I also purchased at Dollar Tree to the corners of my frame. Once I was done adding my snowflakes to my frame, I was all done. Next, I'll show you what it looked like. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next DIY.